As we learn more about the impacts of Hurricane Laura, the local Red Cross is sending volunteers to respond. ABC4's Nicole Newman spoke to one volunteer as he prepares to deploy.
Bringing powerful winds that tore off roofs and knocked down power, Hurricane Laura ripped parts of far eastern Texas and Louisiana apart. As we wait to see exactly how we'll need to respond to the devastation, the local Red Cross is already hitting the ground.
We do have volunteers from Utah that have responded. They're on the ground and they're doing their part to help alleviate human suffering.
Tom Hauser is preparing to deploy in the morning.
The first flight out that I could get was yesterday, and I was 10 minutes past 6 in the morning. I got a call. I was going out the door to go to the airport, and they canceled all the flights into Houston.
Now that flights have resumed, Hauser is scheduled to leave at 8 a.m. He expects to begin participating in the storm's response Friday night or Saturday morning.
I'll be working in the shelter this time as a shelter supervisor.
This will be Hauser's second time responding to Houston as a Red Cross volunteer in recent years.
I was in Houston 3 years ago for Hurricane Harvey.
He expects schools, churches, and numerous other shelters to be open to help aid in Hurricane Laura's response. Right now, the Red Cross has half a dozen volunteers deployed, with more on the way as well as on standby. In the newsroom, Nicole Newman, ABC4 News.